because this is the first time you know me, so let me introduce myself. My name is Lê Hoàng Trung Hiếu and my student ID is BYOD 1947. And today, I'm here to present to you about a case study. Is BYOD good for business? My presentation is divided to 5 parts. Firstly, I will talk about the meaning of BYOD. I would just like to give you some background information about BYOD. So, what is BYOD? BYOD means bring your own device. That is, that is the involving train of employees using their personal device for work purpose. The device referred to here could be a laptop, smartphone, tablet, or any consumer piece of information technology. Company may utilize BYOD or a subset of the trend such as BYOC or bring your own computer. Whatever level of consumer technology a company allows within its radar IT infrastructure, the same benefits and richly apply. Well, I have told you about the meaning of BYOD. Now we will move on to how the BYOD work. BYOD represents an opportunity between employees and employers. Typically, an organization will develop a BYOD policies that address security concerns, the type of allowable device, and other important considerations. Employees should read and understand their employer's policies before agreeing to it. In some cases, the employer may require that employees install specific application on their device. The employer may install security measures on device used to access sensitive company data. For example, some organizations require software that wise corporate data if it detects potential tampering. The company's stakeholders should understand that some employees may not want to participate in a BYOD program, especially if the mobile device management policy requires that certain apps be blacklisted. It is also common for policies to give employers remote access to their employees' device. Employees may refer more distinct break between their office and home life. In that case, they may refer to have one device for work and another for personal use. So that's all I have to say about why BYOD is important. The BYOD trend has created a number of new opportunities and some very critical challenges for business. Mobile apps allow for simple and better to manage solutions in many instances for business owners. There are a number of reasons why BYOD is important, including the first reason is increased productivity. Employees are likely to increase productivity when they are using a familiar device. Furthermore, employees are more inclined to work offsite when they do not need to switch device to do so. The second reason is reduce company device costs. As soon as your business encourages employees to use their own device, you reduce the cost, maintenance, and management of company assets. The third reason is ease of transition of incoming and outgoing employee mobile network access. With good BYOD management, you will be able to manage access to your company network without interfering with a mobile device. This means you can create new employee access and terminate access to outgoing employees with ease. The last reason is improve employee loyalty. You can increase your employee loyalty to your company by allowing them to feel more in control of they work with a BYOD strategy. Employees are found to increase productivity when they feel empowered with BYOD. Employees are also more likely to work off-strike when they don't need to switch between a personal and company device. So that's all I have to say about why BYOD is important. Let me turn now to the benefit of BYOD. All companies will receive the benefits of a mobile workforce, even though they not spend their money for it. uh, Avoid companies from wasting money for unnecessary device and mobile initiative. Every employee will be feel comfortable because they using their own device. Employees will feel easier because they don't have burden to carry and manage multiple devices. Well, let me show you more detail about the benefit of BYOD. Let's move to management. Many companies are integrating this more mobility expert into core IT function and software development. Mobility expert can help a company leverage mobility more effectively, identify or analyze that employees have ability to own their device, make sure that employees agree to save the company's confidential information, and move to organizations limit business smartphone use to a single platform. This makes it easier to keep track to each other device and to roll out software upgrades of all offices because of all employees were using the same device or at the very least the same operating system. For example, BlackBerry mobile device access corporate email and data using in proprietary software and networking platform that is company control and protect from outsiders. More than one type of mobile device and operating system from need an efficient inventory management system that keep track of which device employees are using, where the device is located, whether it is being used, and what software it is equipped with. And the last one is technology. A number of software products such as Sysbase, Apria, Trellier, Microsoft System Center Device Manager, and Odyssey software Athena have emerged to help companies manage diverse mobile platforms. Virtualization is an approach to mobile device management. Companies can install software such as Citrix System Zen Desktop that run Windows Desktop and individual applications of any device regardless of operating system. Now let's move to the final part, that is conclusion. Well, um, is BYOD good for business? Do you have an answer? So my answer is yes, because BYOD new term for association become confounded in light of the fact that association don't certain it is positive or negative for their workspace, in spite of the fact that IBM bomb. However, Intel effectively coordinate BYOD in business area, and Intel demonstrate that it improves representative profitability and diminishes cost in business. In the USA based exploration, 60 plus percent individual say that they are utilizing their own garage at work. BYOD makes some issue, yet there are numerous variables boosting the BYOD and undertaking versatility. About endeavors understood that this adjustment in the work culture builds efficiency and worker uh, fulfillment. Further, BYD assists vendors with decreasing equipment costs. Moreover, well, that is from me. Thank you all for listening. It was a pleasure being here today. Thank you.